All right, this is Don with Olmec Reflections. We're in doing new property management company. So we are doing a 1-bedroom apartment. We're doing about a 200 foot, just a little over 150 foot run. It's a 1-bedroom apartment. Cleaning the carpet. So we've already got it pre-treated. So of course this has been painted before we got here. So it's normal traffic areas. It's not in terrible shape, but as you can see, they probably had a little extra paint, so they painted the floor a little bit too. So anyway, that's pretty typical. There, a little spot there. Yeah, some right there by the hose. Another little spot right there. There. So anyway, so it's just a commercial property, 1 bedroom. We've already got it pre-treated, and just to let you know, the paint is not going to come up. It is dried onto the carpet. Some of it may come up, but most of it won't. So drop cloths are a must to paint. Harbor Freight's got them. Not terribly expensive. Anyway, so this is Don with Olmec Reflections. If you got apartment complexes, we love to do apartment complexes.